now I've quilted some or most of the window panes, I'm adding a piece of wadding batting to it. So, because you can see the one that the full width one that I put there was not wide enough for the whole of it, so I need to put on an extra piece both sides. So I've cut one off and I have sewn it as I did in my video joining wadding batting, and I've just stitched it together there, so I can now pull it over and baste, because I've done the centre of the quilt, so I won't be putting so much in the throat space. So I'm going to pin this side down, baste it, and then put a piece on the other side and baste that, and then I'll possibly try videoing again in a different position, because you couldn't see anything basically because I was working on the middle of the quilt, and so it was awkward. Now I'm going to be at the edge, so you might see better.